Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Actor Dennis Weaver, who played TV Chester, decided to exit the series after 9 seasons to pursue other opportunities. His last episode, titled Bentley, saw Chester leave Dodge City, Con, to find a murderer following a suspicious deathbed confession.
Take our lead.
Doc Adams didn't leave Gunsmoke by choice despite the stereotypes that actors leave shows over drama behind the scenes. However, in 1971, he was forced to temporarily leave the show for just a handful of episodes because he had to undergo heart surgery after suffering a heart attack.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
How did Chester Good, Matt Dillon's assistant on Gunsmoke, get his limp? Chester Good supposedly got that wound during the Civil War. Another explanation could be that Weaver was about 6'2" and producers wanted him to appear much shorter than the 6'7" James Arness, who played Matt Dillon.
Take our lead.
Festus Hagen. Festus Hagen, played by Ken Curtis, was introduced in an 8th season episode, Us Hagans, became a recurring character in the 9th season, and took over as Matt's sidekick when Chester left, edging his predecessor out by appearing in 304 episodes.
Take our lead.
Mr. Curtis played Festus Hagen, sidekick to Marshal Matt Dillon, from 1964 to 1975, when the series ended. He replaced Dennis Weaver, who played Chester Good before leaving the show after 9 years.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.